Hello, my name is Chef Rudy, and today we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes, a molcajete mixto. A molcajete consists of carne asada, some chicken, some Mexican chorizo, and some shrimp, along with all kinds of beautiful vegetables, nopales, chiles, cilantro, green onion, and of course the star of the show, HERDEZ Salsa Verde. HERDEZ is authentic, and here in East LA, people demand authentic salsas. We're always gonna start with the carne asada and the chicken. Reason being, you don't want to overcook the camarones, unas cebollitas, and unos nopalitos, cactus. Some fresh jalapenos. I was born in Jalisco. I came here when I was really young, and my mom actually taught me how to make this dish. And here we have some nice tomatoes. Cut them in little wedges. Molcajetes have been around for quite some time. Aztecs, Mayans used to use them. That's where you used to cook your food, grind spices, make your salsas, multi-use. I'm gonna season it up a little bit. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I'm gonna throw my shrimp now. Chorizo. Check this out, guys. It's a trick, magic, as a matter of fact. See that, guys? Beautiful. This HERDEZ Salsa Verde is awesome. I used to see my mom cook with HERDEZ. I remembered that salsa, and I brought it to my home. Now I bring it to the restaurant. People love that salsa. We're ready to plate this molcajete. It's gonna come out fabulous. I always cook this for Cinco de Mayo. Always, always. Cinco de Mayo, and even St. Patty's Day, believe it or not. My wife is Irish, so they always ask for this. All my ingredients are pretty much done. Okay, now we're gonna start plating the molcajete. Some pollito, chicken, little beef. The molcajete is a complete dish. It could be an appetizer or a meal. Let me get some shrimp here, chorizo. I'm gonna put it right on top of the salsa verde. Look at how beautiful it looks already. Some queso fresco. Right in the middle of the salsa verde. It is coming together. It looks wonderful. And finally, I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of green HERDEZ salsa. Just as a nice little touch. Look at how beautiful that looks. HERDEZ Salsa Verde, I use it because it reminds everybody of home. This is the molcajete. Enjoy, guys.